I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to go over pixel perfect tips, membership sites. So the first tip that I've got for you when creating a membership site is to save your website as soon as you open it. If you don't save your website, you're going to have trouble with going through payment managers and all sorts of other things. So if you don't save your website first, you're going to be given errors. So the very first tip is to save your website as soon as you open the template. So my next tip is making sure that your page is exactly how you want it before you start duplicating. Make sure you have the exact layout and everything perfect. Make sure that your site is also mobile optimized, and then once everything's perfect on both the desktop and the mobile versions, only then should you duplicate it. It is such a pain duplicating to 5 different modules with 5 different lessons each, only to realize that you've got to change something 25 times on both desktop and mobile version, when it could have been a simple one-page fix before you started duplicating all of the pages. So make sure everything is absolutely perfect and that you've completely built out one page and made sure that it's exactly how you want it before you start duplicating. So my next tip is make sure that you have at least 2 layouts. So you're going to need one layout which is going to become restricted, which people can only access after signing up, and then you're going to need a public layout with your membership area description where people can actually sign up for the membership. So we add at least one extra layout to be the public layout and one layout to be the restricted area. Make sure to have a login and register button on your public layout by coming into Add, Buttons, and then Login Buttons, and then select the login register button that you like. You can see all the users that have signed up to your membership area by coming into the Settings and SEO tab and then clicking User Management. From here you can see the custom fields that are required on sign up, and you can add and remove any of your own. You can also download all of the members of your membership area to a CSV or similar document. And if you click on this little box here, you can see the restricted area that people have got access to, and you can change the permission on and off, and you can also set an expiration date for the membership site if they've only paid for a month or a year. So in this video we went over pixel perfect tips, membership areas.